Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I'm going to be sharing my project for the Rache and Bella Craft Off collaboration, and I will have details below, so if you guys want to go check out all the other channels. Basically at the end of the craft off there's going to be a lot of giveaways, so be sure to check the description below for more details. And be sure to also check out Brygida. She's also doing a craft with me for the envelope prompt today. So my prompt is envelopes, and I'm going to take an envelope and turn it into a journal. I actually made these a few weeks ago. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a mini journal out of an envelope. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so today for my video I have the prompt envelope. And so what I've done, if you guys watch me, you will know that I absolutely love mini journals. And I made this mini journal out of an envelope. So that's what I'm going to do with these printables. These are from Rache and Bella Crafts, and I'm going to use an envelope. So basically you can use one of your envelopes if you open it up, and that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to actually just use one of my printable envelopes as a template and just cut around it so that I can have my base for my mini journal. Okay, so then I'm just going to cut this flap off. Okay, so this is my base, what I'm going to start with. And now what I want to do is, I think I'm just going to ink all the edges first. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out what I want to go with. I'm thinking I'm going to fussy cut out this pretty little angel. I'm thinking that she's really pretty and would make a good focal point for the journal. And there are some other images that could also work of like little kids, but we'll try this one and see how this works. Okay, so I fussy cut her out and I think it looks so pretty. I'm going to ink a little bit around the edges, and then I thought that maybe I'll use this on the cover. So see how it opens? This is the envelope. I want to extend this little flap just a bit, and I think I'm going to use this. This is wallpaper. It's like a wallpaper sample, and by using this to layer right underneath her, I think it'll give some really nice texture, and I love the colors, how it plays off. So that's kind of the plan for now. Okay, I'm going to ink the edges because that helps kind of give it a little bit of a shadow, and it almost kind of helps her not get lost on the background page. Okay, so okay, I like that. I kind of like this edge. What if I go like that? Okay, I don't know if it's going to tear. I think I'm going to have to cut it. Yeah. Okay. And while I like that, I feel like I want it to be just a little bit smaller so you can kind of see the background page. So I'm going to actually try to tear a little bit more off. Okay. And I think I'm going to take just a little bit more off at the bottom. That way you can see the layering underneath, and it kind of creates more interest, like you know there's more going on. Okay. I'm going to actually add a bit of ink to this edge too. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, so I'm just going to start gluing things down. Oh wait, you know what? I think I want to use some ribbon first to tie my journal up with. So, okay, so what I did was I just tied the ribbon on there first, and then I'm going to glue this down and then this down next. Okay. Maybe I should add a bit of lace. It kind of changes it. And I think I really like it. I think it's pretty. Okay, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just add this piece of lace in the background. Okay, so I'm thinking to do this. Let's see how that's going to look. I think that I like this a little bit better. It's super subtle, but I think it's still pretty. And I like that bit of lace. Okay, look how pretty that is. Okay, so for now, that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to layer some lace on top of this piece here. Okay. Maybe I'll glue this down first. Okay. And then I'm going to add this lace piece on here. It's been getting so dark here. I'm actually using a light, but I still feel like it's super dark. It's been cloudy and rainy. Okay, so I'm gonna layer this on here, and I'm only gonna glue. I'm gonna add more glue down here where she's at, kind of. And I'll add glue towards the top too, but I'm gonna go lighter on it, if that makes sense. Okay. And I'm going to add this. I'm going to add her on top. And when I actually add her, okay, so when I glue her down, I don't actually add glue all the way to the edge because I like it when the edges lift up just a little bit from the page. I think it gives it a little bit of character, and it almost gives it like a little bit of dimension. So I like the way it lifts up just a bit off the page like that. Okay. Okay, I think that is so cute. I love the way that is looking. Here is the beginning of the journal, and then inside I am going to, let's see, and so it opens up like this, and I'm going to add some pages inside now. Okay, so I chose let's see, I think three different sheets of paper, and I folded them in half, and now I'm just going to cut them down the middle. And you can use a paper cutter, you can tear them. I'm just going to use my scissors. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold them again in half, and this is going to be my my pages inside my journal. See, just like that. Okay, let's see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is basically the idea of the journal, and I'm going to see if I can add some book pages in here also. Okay, so I have this book page that I'm going to add in here. I think I'm going to bring this in. I actually printed this one on cardstock. Okay, and I'm just going to cut it out. Okay, so now I'm going to ink the edges. And let's see where I want to put this. Maybe I'll do this. So it'll be just a little bit shorter, and that will add some interest. And then I can cover up the white space with more papers. Okay. Okay, so for this, I think I'm just going to glue this on top, just like that. You can also use book page, scrapbook paper. So this is a really cute gift. I think it'd be a great stocking stuffer. If you do make it for somebody that doesn't do junk journaling, you might consider adding a lot of blank pages so they can actually use it as a journal, like where they just write things in. A lot of times what I will do is I'll have my decorative pages, and then like this is great for journaling. And then like this is a decorative page. I might come in and bring in some paper and just overlay it like this. I can actually maybe use this. Let's see. So that you're giving them kind of an idea of how to use it, because not everybody is a junk journaler where they're going to glue things down and stuff like that. Like I'm thinking of my daughter, like when I make her journals, she likes to write more, so I always try to, you know, do something like that. But let's see where else I can. Like this is faded. This is good for writing. Maybe I would do that here. See that? Okay, let's see. Let's move on. I'm going to actually I want to actually decorate it now, and then we will see. I feel like it might be a little thick, and it doesn't need to have this many pages, so I might also, as I decorate it and as it gets thicker, I might remove some pieces too. But for now, I'm going to leave it like that until I add some more pieces in there. Okay, so I kind of want to add a tree. I think that would be pretty, or this one. Maybe I'll go with this one. Okay, so I am just inking this out. I cut it out, and then I'm thinking to add it maybe here. I think I like that, and I kind of want to add some texture though. Let's see what I want to add. I don't know if I like that actually. I like this. Okay, let's move on and see what other pieces I have. I have these all cut out and ready to go. Let's see, I kind of want to have some kind of focal point right here. I think that's really cute. I kind of like that one best. This one's cute too. Let's see what else I have. I think I like that one best. Maybe I can use this one instead. That one or this one. So cute. I think I'll go with this one. So basically, I think that this is a really cute way to kind of make a quick little journal. I really like this. I think that's really cute. So you can make a quick little journal to use, maybe even for like December daily. Okay, I have some papers here. Let's see. You know what? I think I just want to glue this down. Maybe I will need to back it up so that you don't see it on this side. But what should I use? That one or this one? I think I'm going to use the green. The green stripe. I actually printed this 2 to a page, so to make it smaller, because I knew I wanted to make a mini journal, so then it's nice to have the prints a little bit smaller too, if that makes sense. So I'm going to just cover this. And you know what? I don't have to cover it all the way. It doesn't have to be perfect. See that? I could just go like that because you're not going to see it. And it just adds more bulk. And then I'm going to trim this side off too. And I think that's really cute. Okay, I'm going to ink the edges for this. This needs some inking. Okay. And then, of course, it goes on here. I think that's so cute. Just like that. Okay, let's see what else I can use. So that's cute. I like that. You know, this could be a tuck spot right here because I didn't glue it all the way. You can go like that. Okay. Let's see. I have this right here. It's like register tape. My friend Cheryl sent it to me and I love using it. This would be great for like a journaling spot. And then you can have like the little kids right there. That would be cute. Okay, I'm gonna ink these edges. Maybe I'm gonna do a little bit of a collage on that page. Okay, let's see. And maybe I'll bring in some paper, some green paper, and I think I just want to tear it. Okay, because tearing is always fun. And let's see what I can do. I usually tear in a diagonal, like a corner, and then you can just add that up here, and then kind of layer this right there. The kids, let's see, something like that. I'm going to ink this up. Okay, and that would go just right there. Okay, so I'm inking this up because I want to give it, kind of have it so it doesn't blend into the background too much, if that makes sense. And then I think that the picture needs something a little extra to like, so it doesn't, again, blend into the background, and I'm going to use this. It's just some packaging paper, and I'm going to tear it. Okay. I love the craft color paper. I always love using it in my projects, and I think it looks so great with green and red for Christmas. Let's see, maybe I'll just go like this instead. See that? And then I think, what if I add some book page too? Maybe I would do that instead. Okay, I think I like this instead better, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a little bit of this down here. I should glue this down first. Okay. And I'm going to ink it up just a little bit. I love that texture from the brown paper. I think that looks great. Okay, so now I'm tilting this just a little bit for interest. I'm going to add this right here, and I'm just going to staple it on here because I love the way it looks a little bit loose. It almost has like an effortless look to it. It feels like really casual but really pretty, like a simple beauty to it. Okay, and then I'm just going to tie this into a little bow, and let's clip it. Okay, and I think that's really cute. How cute is that? It's like such a simple layout and so cute. Okay. I'm thinking, let's see, should I add some words? I have little journaling Okay, I'm going to add here, I'm going to add blessings. So this is actually my fall digital with fall themed sentiments, but blessings will work. Or my quiet time. Well, they're kids. I don't know how quiet they would be. But I can do blessings, favorite things, cherishing the moments. I think that one's cute too. I think I'm going to go with that one instead. Even the best of times is really cute. I think that would work. But I'm going to go with cherishing the moments. I think that's really cute. I always love to add little sentiments like this to my journaling pages. And I'm going to ink the edges. I think it looks better down here, but I kind of want it to be, I want some separation between the picture and the title and the little sentiment. So maybe I'll just use brown paper. Let's see how that looks. That might work better up there, and maybe I'll add a little bird here too. Or maybe I'll move it here. Okay, I think I want to move it here because it's part of the same layout and it's okay to have it there. I think that will work. And I think I like this. I think it's cute. Sometimes we overthink things, and I tend to overthink them because I know I want to really love my layouts, but I think this is cute. I'm gonna like that there. And then let's see the bird. Okay, I like that there, and I think I want to add a bird. Let's see. Maybe I should just, I don't know. I think it's good actually. Let's see, what else can I do? Cherishing the moment. I think that's good there. Okay. That's really cute. I love that. Let's see. I can do a ticket, you know. I can add some interest by layering a ticket underneath, like right here. See that? It's very subtle, but that's a cute page. So we have a little journal here, and it's basically made out of a mini envelope, and I think it's so cute. Okay, let's see what else we can add to it. I'm going to go with that one. Let's see what pages. I'm going to minimize it so that I don't have quite as many. Let's see. I think I want the book page. Yes. Okay. So that it's not too bulky. I think that's cute. I think that's good. I like to layer on my pages, so I think that's going to be better. Okay, let's see. What do I want to use here? How cute is that? That looks really cute. I really like that. Okay. But I want to layer it, I think. Let's see with what. What can I add to it? Should I do this? Maybe I'll do that. I like the combination of the greens. That is so cute. Okay, so how cute does that look? But I think I want to separate these just a little bit, and I have a lunch sack that I'm going to use. And I think the color is perfect for this. Okay. And I'm just going to cut it. See how cute does that look? I love that contrast. And let's see, what am I going to do next? I think I'm going to just ink the edges just a little bit. And I'm scrunching it up for texture because it adds nice texture. Okay. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love these colors together a lot. I'm going to just start gluing things down. Okay. I want to ink this first because I didn't ink it yet. And I'm purposely wrinkling it up because I love that texture. It's getting dark here, and I'm getting a lot of shadows. I hope it's not going to be too bad. I usually avoid filming during the evening, but it's still been so dark here lately. Okay, I like that. I think that's so cute. Oh my gosh. What if I have it open, maybe? Should I have it open? Or should I just leave it closed? Or maybe I'll have a tuck spot with a little, let's see, like a little card coming out. Maybe that's what I'll do for that. But I want some kind of ribbon. Let's see what I have here. Should I do red? Or is that too much? Maybe I'll do this again. I love this. I love this so much. Maybe I'll just do this. I'm going to do it in the middle, and I'm going to tie, I'm going to again use my stapler, and I'm just going to tie a bow at the top. It's almost like it's being held up by this little bow. So cute. Okay. How cute is that? That is so adorable. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to just add glue at the top. You know what? I'm going to add some here too. Okay. So that this can be a little tuck spot if I want to. How cute is that? This is adorable. I'm loving that. That's so cute. Okay, so we have another page there. So cute. I am loving that so far. Let's see. Should we add some words on here too? I didn't think of that yet. Let's see. My cozy home. Doesn't that sound cute? My cozy home can work. It can also be, let's see. My cozy home here right now would work. I think my cozy home is the one I want to use. That is so cute. Because that's how I feel. I feel like that looks like home, like a snow day when you get all bundled up. And I guess I have nice memories of the snow and it being so cozy after you're being outside in the snow. And I think that's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this to it. I'm gonna glue it to some paper. It gives it a little bit of dimension. I love the way it looks when I add some of this. Paper just as a little border. But now I'm thinking, what if I... Okay, now I'm thinking, what if I make this a little bit thicker? It'll add bulk, but I want some cardboard, I think, to use. Okay, so I got my little label right there, and I'm just using just a little bit of file folder. And you can use just any type of packaging, but that's what I had right here, so that's what I'm going to use. But any packing material will also work, like, I don't know, a box. I was actually thinking to just use packaging like a box, but this was here, so I just used this. Okay. Okay, so I just backed it up with some file folder, which is like cardstock, and then I inked the edges also. So cute, I love that. Okay, this is a cute one. This will be, and it works. I think that'll be really cute with it. So what I'm gonna do is, again, I'm gonna back it up with, maybe I'll just use this. Should I use this or should I use green? Let's see. I'm thinking maybe to just use this on the back. Let's see, or this way. Okay, I think that would be cute to just have like the matching color on the back. I think that's what I'm gonna do. You don't have to. Mixing it up is cute too, but this is, this'll work too. Okay, and then I'm just gonna cut it out. Okay, so here it is. Oh, and I left an edge there. Oops. That's okay. I'm just gonna... Okay, so I'm gonna cover that up because I didn't pay attention and I have the white edge on there. But that's okay because that'll give us a reason to add another strip, and that creates interest. Let's see what I can use. I can use that. I think that's cute. And I like the way that looks a lot, actually. Let's see. But I think I want to tear it and put it the other way. So the straight edge is going to go on the bottom. I hope I'm making sense. And then this part right here that I'm tearing goes like this. See that? And I think that's really cute. It gives it a lot more interest. Okay. So sometimes when you make a mistake, if you keep going, it's just a way to kind of add more interest to your page by covering it up with other paper. You're basically collaging on top. At least that's what I like to do, is to collage, and then you're adding just a little bit more interest. Okay. And how cute is that? I like it. I like that better, actually. That's so cute. And that's like a little, Little card, so cute. Okay, let's see, what else do I want to add? Do I want to add some fabric? Like just a little piece of this, maybe. I kind of want to. Let's see. I just want to add like almost a little tab right here. I think that'll be really cute. And what if I sew it on there? Or what if I leave it like this? That would be cute. See that? Is that gonna be, that's gonna be fine, I think. Let's see. Maybe I'll go a little bit shorter so it doesn't stick out too much, but I like it a lot. Okay, so I have this tab. Okay, so I just did a tiny little stitch on there because I thought I like that detail, and now I'm just gonna glue it on here. See that? And I think that's really cute. Okay. Okay, so I just tuck it in there. That is so cute. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna actually go in and sew in these pieces. So now I'm just gonna bind this little journal. I'm gonna start on the inside right here. And I'm going to go through, oops, I don't want to catch the ribbon. Okay, go through. And I always want to, I'm going to poke this side because it's easier to make a hole this way, okay, than this way. And I have an owl, but I just use my needle. Sometimes I just go with what I have. Okay, and then go back and out this way. And then back in through the middle. It's pretty simple once you try it. It's not hard at all. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this through. And I'm going to tie this. I'm going to tie this snug, but not too snug. You don't want to tear your papers. I think I need like a little tuck spot. Let's see. This might work as a, and I can make it into an envelope. I can make it into an envelope, but I want to make it into a tuck spot instead. So I'm going to cut it out. Okay. This is cardstock, so it'll work a little bit better for as a pocket. And I'm just going to glue the 3 sides. Let's see what else I want to add. This could be a tuck spot. See that? That's pretty. Let's see. I kind of like it there. I think that's pretty. Okay, I'm going to do that. I like that. That's so cute. This is like a little tuck. Let's see what else. Oh, I like this. This is so cute. This could be a little tuck spot. So cute. I love this. Let's see. This is really cute too. I can do that one here. And you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking to use one of these. That'll make it really cute. So like a little pocket. You can add things in there. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's see. What else can I add there? Okay, I want to add some more there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just wrapping up a little bit of book page right here. And I'm going to actually tie some twine around here next, because I think that'll add like a nice, I think it'll look really pretty. Okay, now I'm wondering, what if I tuck it in? That's kind of cuter, I think. I'm trying to make it crisscross a little bit because that adds interest, and I didn't do it when I first wrapped it around that well. Okay, that's so cute. I love it. You know what? I'm thinking to just staple this right here. I'm going to add a staple. I love using my stapler, guys. Okay, so I added two staples, one here and one on the edge, and I think that's cute. And then you can add a little card in there. You can add journaling, like you can add some hidden journaling in there. I think this is so cute. Okay, and then I'm just going to add it here, just kind of there. I'm going to add just a little bit of glue here too. And should I add one of these here? That's kind of cute. I'm going to add, and I'm going to add a little rosette here. So cute. I love this. Okay, how cute is that, guys? I love that. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I went ahead and I finished up the journal, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what I did. Okay, so I decorated this, and I just glued that down. I glued down this little, the card to some more of the paper bag, and then I added this little sentiment on there, and then this just tucks in here. Okay. Okay, I actually added this on there, and I made a little ruffle right here with some paper, and I just glued it down. And this can technically be Can technically be like a small tuck spot. Some writing space right there. I have this kind of some hidden writing space, and I just stapled it right there in an accent. I think it's so cute. Okay, and we did this on camera, and I have this little tag in there. Some writing space, and then this, you can have some writing space right there, kind of hidden. And then this is just a little pocket and some more writing space on there. More writing space. And then again, I added a little bit of that paper bag, and I just layered some lace right there, and I added another sentiment. And then again, I stapled this little twine there. Then I tuck these in here, and again, you can just journal on the back of these, and they just get tucked in there. And then there's a little pocket with these little journaling cards, and again, the backs can be used for journaling, and of course you can journal on the front too. Okay, and this would be such a great little gift. I think it's so cute, and it could also be a really great little stocking stuffer. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.